Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I'm going to show you really super quick how to spruce up the ponytail. Okay, look, like I am so super excited that this style came back into fashion. I absolutely love it. This is very trendy right now. So you just grab the sides of your hair, throw it up in a ponytail. Everybody knows how to do that. You guys can see just the side in a ponytail. Now check this out. Now we want to hide this rubber band, right? So now all I'm going to do, and then you guys are like, I already know this, Christina, but you might not know this extra tip. So I'm going to show you the extra little tip to spruce it up even more. So I have a strand that was from the back of it, right? That's all you want to do. And then you just want to do this. And you're going to tie a knot in the hair. Do it again and tie another knot in the hair. And oops, don't let it go. And do it again. Boom, boom, 3 knots in the hair. Now check this out. We're gonna go around the ponytail. This is gonna be a game changer for you girls. Oh, you do have to hold the end of the hair, otherwise the knots wanna like come out. So pin it back. You get one bobby pin, and you push it through that strand into the base of the ponytail. Then you get another bobby pin, and you crisscross it to hold that tiny little extra piece. So even if the knot shows, which there's the knot right there, it just kind of gives it a little bit more pizzazz. And you can see that it makes the ponytail look thicker and it stands it up more. It's like more high. And just kind of scoop back so you guys can see. You guys see? Like it's higher. My hair, I did absolutely nothing but comb it today, but by adding this like extra pizzazz, this extra height, kind of makes your hair look more like, ooh, you spent some time on it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these little quick tiny like tips on how to spruce up your hair throughout the day without really doing anything like special, let me know in the comment section down below. But while you're there, please hit that thumbs up button, the tiny little subscribe button, and the bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this, like, I don't know, 2-minute little tip. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.